Days after Rahul Gandhi's remark on the Supreme Court setback to the Modi government over the Rafale deal, BJP MP Meenakshi Lekhi has now moved that the Supreme Court had said that the Chowkidar was a thief. Now, in this contempt petition, the BJP MP said that Rahul Gandhi was replacing his personal statement as the Supreme Court order and trying to create prejudice. The Congress has also filed a contempt petition against the Prime Minister on the same issue. Now, these petitions is going to be heard on Monday. Rahul Gandhi, the Congress president, had said that the Supreme Court order meant the Chowkidar was involved in looting the nation and that there was corruption in the Rafale deal. Now, let's just tell you about what happened in the Supreme Court. It did come as a setback to the government when the Supreme Court allowed the leaked Rafale papers to be admissible in court, rejecting the Modi government's petition that it amounted to breach of national security.
आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लियर कर दिया है कि चौकीदार जी ने चोरी करवाई। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक्सेप्ट किया है कि राफेल मामले में कोई ना कोई करप्शन, कोई ना कोई भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है। और जैसे मैं पहले से कह रहा हूं, अगर राफेल मामले पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा तो दो नाम है, भाइयों और बहनों, दो नाम है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी और अनिल अंबानी जी।
Anisha joins us for more on this. Anisha, in fact, even Nirmala Sitharaman, when Rahul Gandhi had made those remarks, had raised the matter saying that there were a clear contempt of court. So the BJP not wasting time and filing that contempt petition. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, Avantika, Meenakshi Lekhi in her petition has said that by replacing his own statements, his own interpretation, what Rahul Gandhi has done is contempt of court. The BJP, of course, is claiming that Rahul Gandhi's statement counts as deliberate misinterpretation and deliberately misinformation with regard to a court verdict, and that is why they want the court to initiate contempt proceedings against Rahul Gandhi. The matter is going to be heard on Monday. Remember, just yesterday when the Rafale case, Rafale order had come up, a huge political war had broken out because the court has agreed to take on record certain defense ministry documents and has said that transparency needs to be maintained, that the right to information, the right to know is higher, on a higher pedestal than the claim of privilege that has been raised by the government in this case. So a huge political war has broken out on this issue, with Rahul Gandhi, of course, targeting the Prime Minister, targeting Anil Ambani.
Absolutely, and the BJP using this. In fact, the BJP hitting out at the Congress president, saying that the Congress is so frustrated that he attributed that word to something that never even was mentioned by the lawyers, by the judges in the court as well. What about the Congress? Have they taken any action? I believe they have also filed a petition.
Well, Avantika, that is currently unclear. The sources in the Congress have said that they are contemplating filing an application, but at this moment there is nothing before the Supreme Court. But since this Rafale issue is a huge political issue, we will have to wait and see how this issue develops, or once the court reopens on Monday and takes up whatever matter comes before it.
All right, Anisha, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.